Finding a little extra time in the day doesn't always happen, but when it does, there are a few apps that can help you make the most of it. Hi, I'm Krystin Goodwin with Buzz60, and here are some fantastic apps for downtime. Free time? Why not explore your city with the My City Way app? From local sporting events, dining locations, and nearby nightlife, you can discover your hometown block by block, and you'll never have an excuse to be bored. If you love crossword puzzles, why not play on your phone with the New York Times Crossword app? You can play from anywhere, and it's the same puzzle that's printed in the paper. But if you're on the go and you don't have time for a whole puzzle, you can even do a shorter version. If you're stuck waiting for that flight, take a look at the Maxter-magazine and bookstore app. With thousands of interactive magazines and digital books to choose from, you'll be sure to find something entertaining. And going digital means carrying less on the go. So spark up some fun with a few of these entertaining apps and turn your downtime into digital delight. Buzz60, now you know, pass it on.